Instead of writing prompts for every single scene, what if one prompt could generate your entire storyboard? Then, with just a few clicks, you can turn every storyboard frame into a fully animated AI video. You can even create your own consistent AI characters and bring them to life across every scene. Let me show you exactly how. To make this workflow much easier, I've already organized everything inside a Google Doc. Feel free to edit it to match the type of video you want to create. Once you're done, simply copy the prompt and head over to Claude AI. Paste the prompt into Claude and click Generate. Claude will come up with 10 different storyboard titles for you to choose from. If you don't like any of them, simply ask Claude to generate more creative ideas until you find one that fits your project. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting idea number 10, so I'll type 10 into the prompt box. Claude will then display the storyboard title I selected and ask me to choose the video length. I'll go with 10 seconds, but you can choose whichever duration works best for your project. Next, Claude will ask whether you want to upload your own AI character or let it generate one for you. Since I already have a character I want to use, I'll upload mine. In just a few moments, Claude will generate the complete storyboard, including the scene descriptions, storyboard images, and animation prompts for every scene. Once it's finished, copy the entire storyboard prompt and head over to Flow AI. After signing in, click on New Project. Then click the plus icon to upload the same character we'll be using throughout the video. Next, paste the storyboard prompt we copied from Claude into the prompt box. On the right-hand side, switch the generation mode to image, choose your preferred image model and aspect ratio. Click on Generate and wait a few seconds while Flow AI creates all the storyboard images for every scene. Once the generation is complete, you'll have all your storyboard images ready in one place. Go ahead and download them because the next step is to bring each scene to life with animation. To animate this, head back to the Flow AI dashboard, click the plus icon, and upload the storyboard image we just generated. At the top right corner of the image, click the 3 dots and select Add to Prompt. This automatically inserts the image into the prompt. Next, head back to Claude AI and copy the animation prompt. Then return to Flow AI and paste it into the prompt box. Now, switch the generation mode from image to video. Select your preferred video model. I'll be using OmniFlash. Choose the video duration. Then click Generate. Give it a few seconds, and your animated scene will be ready. Here's the result we created. And just like that, you've turned a single storyboard frame into a fully animated scene without having to write a brand new prompt from scratch. The same workflow applies to every other storyboard frame. Simply repeat the process for each scene until your entire storyboard has been transformed into a complete video. One of the biggest advantages of this workflow is that you only need to customize the master prompt to fit your own idea. Whether you're creating animated stories, educational videos, or short films, the process stays the same. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this.